realm of riddles.
It was a fun night, but you drank too much soda, and now you suddenly start having hallucinations. You blink your eyes once, and you're suddenly on a go-kart and driving down a rainbow road. You're racing against two crazy Italian plumbers far ahead of you. Since you are very competitive, you want to win, but you're currently in third place. In front of you, there is a fork in the road with two paths leading to poorly lit tunnels. One of these paths is a shortcut that will lead you to first place, while the second is very long. In front of the first path, there is Chuck Norris sleeping. In front of the second path, there is Elon Musk smirking in a creepy way. Which path should you take? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. If you chose the first path, Chuck Norris' powerful snoring blasted you off the track and ended your karting career. However, if you chose the second path, Elon Musk would have given you a rocket-powered booster for your kart, leading you to first place.